Hello, my name is Nina London. I am with world famous Qigong Master, the founder of this beautiful place, Tao Garden, and the Tao Garden Healing System, and Master Chia, the author of 74 books. Yeah. And I have a question for you. How people can deal with stress? What they can do? Like one exercise, if you can share just one way. Like there's so much now tension in the world.
There are two things, two parts that in the Tao way, that 1,000 years they said, stress, impatience, stressfulness, and everything is in the liver.
Okay.
So if we can aware the liver and they have a simple sound, and usually they have movement, like we call a liver sound like this, and when you push up and you lean a little bit to the left because liver on here, so you press the liver a little bit and you do the liver sound, which we know that it will releasing the pressure. Okay, so in the Tao we said liver is the wood, and the wood supply fire and it burn the heart. So that's why with the liver here and the heart is here. So that is when the liver get too much hot heat, it burn the heart because the wood, the liver is a wood element, and it supply the wood to the fire and burn, and the people heart very impatient and angry and frustration, and this is the what we are having now because and the another one the Tao always talk about is the kidney is involved with fear.
Fear. Lots
So a
of
lot of
fears
people
now. Yeah.
have a lot of
Yeah,
fear.
fear. Yeah.
And so usually, if people can aware of their own organ and know that the organ cause all this emotional. Now when we know it, easy to do it. Okay? So when you rub the hand warm and cover on the kidney, and you just make it warm, and you do the kidney sound like the kidney sound is like this, like make the mouth loud. When you get the kidney sound, and you make the kidney warm. When the kidney cold, they have fear.
So simple and very effective because it's an ancient practice
Yes.
coming from Taoist teaching.
Yeah.
And thank you so
Yeah.
much. We are wishing everyone good health.
Yes.
And no stress. Release your stress
Yes.
to the earth
Right.
or to
You
the
let go.
let
it
go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
The thing is people cannot let go. That's what problem.
Hold.
We have holding everything here and we have not let go.
Yeah. All negativity, let go,
go.
and get positive feeling to your body.
Yeah.
And also smile.
That
You
is
love
important.
smiling. I learned from you.
You know, the smiling is the key that people have to learn. There's
Yeah.
no other way, because we have so many emotional. But when we know that the emotional it comes from the organ, and it makes sense more that because we don't know whether emotional come, so we always say, oh, from outside, from people, from devil, from all these things. Now, we cannot win them.
Yes. We will smile. We will practice the movement, the sounds, and we'll feel better. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Master
Thank you.
Chia, for your teaching and helping people.
Thank you.
Thousands of people all around the world.
Thank you.